And in this one, we have Fat Man. Well, Batman and Fat Man. That's Batman. Here on the Commodore Amiga, more specifically, the Amiga 1200 for us today. So, let's play this. I have played this before. I'll not tell you how good or bad I am at it, but let's play it anyway. I have no idea what that music on the intro has to do with the film, but it is what it is, as they say. And I gotta say to you because I just wasted time while it's loading. Axis Chemical Factory. Oh, don't shoot me! I'm a good guy. There you go. That's oh God. What are you doing? Don't shoot! Right. Let's see if I can get some. I don't remember this being this hard. Are you cheating on me tonight, Amiga? Not that way. Right. Okay. I don't ever remember it being that hard. There, Hal. Right. Let's see if we can do something about these people. Right. Go. Die. Thank you. Now, was that so difficult? There's stuff firing at me. I can't even... What the hell? I was better than this. I was better than this before. This is terrible. Right then, let's make some progression in the game, shall we? Well, let's try and make some progression. Is he going to chuck stuff at me? Hopefully not. Right, I'm going down here for what reason exactly? Whee! I just going to hang around here or dance swing away, cause I'm Batman, because I'm Batman. Something like that. Anyway, let's... Oh, didn't realise it to get up. Bloody ladder! Now, doink. Let's go. Go, 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 go! Die, 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 you little shit! Right, come on. Oh, what the hell? What killed me? Whatever it was, I missed it. Haha! Me not so silly this time. Me right down here. Yes! You bastards, me good guy. Howdy. I must be what the gold. Get out the. Now you're in trouble, Batman. You bastard, Batman, Batman the bastard. Right, you missed. Ha ha ha! You missed too. Have you now? Yes. Don't you chuck stuff. Oh, you did. You shall pay for that. Alright. No, looks like you can't. Right. He's gonna get me, little shit. Die. Now, I do know. I happen to know that this slime here, bastard, makes it incredibly... Oh, right, I'll just go up there. You know, in a previous version of this, I spent a lot of time trying to cross that, and now it appears I wasted my time. I could just go up. What? Grade A plonker. Now what's... He's gonna chuck stuff at me, isn't he? I got you, babe. I got you, babe. You're not gonna get me today. Die! 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 Bastard! What the? Oh! You shot me! You shot me up the ass! Sort of. Right. God, what the hell was that? No idea. Right. You're gonna come here, aren't you? Oh, you cheeky bastard. Oh, slime. Go. Oh. What's up here? Oh, Batman killing people. Piss off! Don't like you now. Oh. He killed me. Right. This is not game over. Batman shall have his revenge. Come on. Plus it's extra fast. Will it come on extra fast? You ever dance with the devil? No. Or maybe I have. May not have drunk enough tea tonight. Something like that. While we wait in the dark for the game to start, I shall sing you a tune of the Batman. I just made that up. Am I good? Please tell me I'm good. I'm very insecure now. Hey! Right, come on. Oh, you get it up the bum then. Right, go. Die. Chuck stuff at me, or are you going to be a good boy today? Just gonna be a good boy. Die! Haha! You missed me. Whoa! You're not nice. I kill you. There you go. Right. I hate these things. Get you there so you don't pester me later. Go! Get out of the way. Oh no! Didn't want that. You'll have to die. Sorry about that, fella. But you're gonna have to die today. I don't know where I am now. I'm lost. I'm in a pit of despair. I appear to be stuck. Right. Ow! I don't know what I'm doing. I'm suffering from dead legs here. Okay, we'll do that then. We'll go that way around them. Cause they're nice. Right, let's go. No, I don't know much about where I am. Oh yes, I'm back where I was before. Right. These are nasty. Hey, that let me up last time. Now it's not. What? Oh, Stuart. Come on. Right. Okay. We go again. Right. Oh, you shithead. Oh, God. Right, what I'm going to do is fire one out to the right hand side. I'm not on about that either, you dirty mind, you people. And, oh, I don't care anymore. Right. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Batman. Right. Let's get up there. Sort these people out for once and for all. And, yep, die. Thank you. Right, okay, we're back on track. I hope. There's a lot of people to kill here. Anybody else? Any more for any more, Gov? Just drop through the floor. Through the floor? Do you want to go through the floor? Let's just get the other side of this and die. Now, here we go. Oh, God. We died again, so I'm going to leave it at that, because I'm shite at these games. Oh, okay. Okay. Now it's the same bit again. Anyway, yes, so that's Batman, a highly enjoyable game on the Amiga. Another one I recommend for you. If you want to buy it, or download it, or whatever you do. So, if you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe. There's also links down below to our popular Facebook group where we talk more about retro games, technology, and geekiness in general. And there are links using the cards to the side for more retro gaming videos and more Amiga videos. So, thank you all very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.